Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable play video at lower resolution when on battery in Windows 11. So firstly click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Display. Now click on HDR. Now scroll down. Here is the option Video Playback. Click on it. Now check this box, play video at a lower resolution when on battery. So just select this box. Now close it and restart. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy setting, we can enable play video at lower resolution when on battery in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.